everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it's the Amazon Smile. You know what that means. We all love Amazon Prime, especially in pandemic time, because it gets here faster than the average bear, right? Sometimes a little more than 2 days, but it's worth it. I enjoy this company. The guy who's my contact with this company reached out to me. He is my contact with several companies on Amazon and said, look, we have this 4-pack we would love for you to show everyone. And I said, heck yeah, I will do it, because the quality of their product is amazing and I wanted to show you this option. It is a poured glue option. They are round. What I also love about it is they're very reasonably priced. You get 4 paintings for a minimum amount. Usually it's under $20, so it's under $5 a painting. So we are going to dive in and see what's in here. These are amazing. Anytime I get a 4-pack, I usually keep one for myself. I give one away as a prize, and then I keep 2 to give to friends. Very well packaged. Okay, so let's dive in to this. This is from SanderDirect. It has it up on the canvas. It's a take on the 4 seasons. This is really good for someone who is starting out in diamond painting, because it is round. It's a 30 by 40. It's poured glue. This one has 36 colors, and it's a farm scene. It's got really good sticky. Nope, I didn't do that very well. Very good glue stick. Okay, it is mostly numbers and letters. They did have to do a few symbols on this one because of the color amount. And you can see their symbols right here are their letters. I also like they don't have what they call training wheels or dummy circles, which is a circle around the symbol or the number or the letter. It tells you where to put your diamond. I like when they don't have that, because then when you place your diamond, it can be a nightmare because that frame is still there and offers a black shadow. Let's see if this is true to size. It says it's 30 by 40. There's 2 ways of measuring. One is by canvas and one is by drill. This is roughly almost 40. It's like 39 3/4 centimeters by canvas. Drill is 34.5. Probably with the wrinkle, it'll get itself up to 35. Yep. And same this way. If you do just the canvas, it's going to be 30. If you do the drill field, it's going to be just under 25. Okay, and most of these companies that are mass produced are like that. Okay, so let's look. They send you a standard toolkit, which has your single placer, your green boat without an opening, some wax, and a few baggies. They also send you, I like to call this like train packaging, because they're all together like a train, like train cars. Although this does not have the DMC on the packaging itself, You do have your DMCs over here, but let me just double check. I could be wrong. No, it does have your DMCs. Okay. There's just a lot in order, so it made me think. These are really nice drills. I've never had any bad drills from SanderDirect. These are great fall colors. I would assume this is your fall scene. And I am not going to have you watch me try to figure this out. I will put this away off camera, but they're gorgeous colors. This one I believe is the winter scene. So this, as you know, came in a 4-pack. That was a farmhouse. This one, come on, baby. I was trying not to break the plastic because it's nice to put back in if I'm giving it away, but it looks like it's not going to come out. So I'm just going to have to do that. Okay, so this one has 30 colors. 30 by 40. It's a winter scene. How cute is this for beginners? Or just a little snack size if you want. The canvas is your normal canvas. Nothing special. These are also great to do to put in your portfolio if that's how you store it. Check out my portfolio video. Great way to store paintings that are a little bit smaller. You get your toolkit. A toolkit should come with every single painting that you do, even when you get a multi-pack like this. Here's your train of colors. Like I said, there's 30 colors. And these are very pretty. See if I can show you guys the different color palette. It's more wintry. Look at this burgundy cranberry color. So nice. That's 814. I always gravitate to 814. Yeah, so I'm going to stick this back in before I make a mess of it. Okay, and the symbols, it's the same distribution company, so the symbols are just, I keep calling them symbols, but they're letters and numbers. They're just as clear. I'm going to wrap this back up. I'm sure somebody I give this to will want it nice and neat, ready to go. All right, so we did fall and winter. This is summer, and this is a kit that I've seen many times, but I have not done myself. I may actually keep this one just because it's outside of what I normally do and would be a nice addition to my portfolio. It is the summer beach scene with the starfish. It's got 32 colors, which is actually a lot of colors for a 30 by 40. You can see it turns out pretty nice for 30 by 40. You get your standard toolkit and then all of these beautiful colors. Right here, a lot of sand-like colors, yellows, creams. Got a lot of these blue colors for the sky. It's going to be really nice. And then we got the last one, which I would think is a spring color. Let me just get this rolled up so I don't accidentally misplace it. So this one I believe is the spring version. It's kind of fun to have the 4 seasons. These are options. So definitely go check, I'll put the link down below. Go check them out. They have a couple 4-packs. And I really enjoy them. I have a Cardinal 4-pack. I've been giving away some of those. I had snowman 4-pack. I gave away some of those. And I have this 4-pack, and then I have the swan 4-pack, I believe. This one's very pretty. Spring with some of those pinks and that bridge. And this looks like a boat, right? With someone in it. This one has 36 colors. You can see that's what it's supposed to look like. Don't know how clear that is when it's printed on canvas. But it does, I mean, for a 30 by 40, I really do think that SanderDirect does a good job of their computer software for this size. So you got some great colors in here. And I've never had a problem with their drills. They've always been really good. So this is just a quick unboxing for you guys to see what's out there on Amazon, especially if you're looking to have someone, you know, learn about diamond painting and you want to make sure they start off with something a little smaller so they're not overwhelmed, but also something that's quality. And if they live across the country, you can order it on Amazon and send it their way, you know, for $20 or less. I think sometimes you can get coupons. I know one pack I had was $17 for 4. It's really actually worth it, and you get it within 2 days. I mean, you can't get a 30 by 40 on AliExpress anymore for that amount of money. Usually they're anywhere from, you know, $8 to $10, and then now you have to pay shipping on a lot of them. I just ripped that. Just ripped the outside packaging, not the canvas. So I'll have to figure out how to make it pretty in case I give it away. But that's my little problem, right? So thank you so much. If you like this video and want to see more unboxings, give this a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos down the road of tips and tricks, please subscribe and hit the bell and be notified when the next tips and tricks painting video comes out. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.